Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make Bolognese stuffed bell peppers. Here I got 2 yellow bell peppers. They are quite a large size. First I'm gonna prepare the Bolognese. Here are the main ingredients: finely chopped celery, red onion, plus 300 grams of ground beef, because after all this is a meat sauce. Extra virgin olive oil in a hot wok. First step is the finely chopped red onion. Plus the celery. Black pepper. Quite a lot, as always. After a couple of minutes I add the ground beef. Plus more black pepper. A little bit of thyme. And a little bit of oregano. These are beautiful Mediterranean fragrant herbs. Perfect Bolognese. The next step is to add tomato paste. 1 can will do. Plus beef stock. Feel free to use chicken stock or vegetable stock if you like that more, but I'm going to use, I prefer beef stock. And then for the final flavoring, I'm adding Worcestershire sauce. Beautiful. I love this sauce in many dishes, especially in Bolognese. So quite a lot. Plus, for the heat, for the spice, usually I use sriracha sauce, but today I feel like some gulak. Why not? And I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until all the liquid has evaporated. In the meantime, I will prepare the bell peppers. So I'm gonna just cut the top off. And with a small knife, I'm gonna cut out all the inner stuff, because that's too bitter. We don't need that. I just have a quick taste. Kind of spicy, just how I like it. The Bolognese has become a thick and rich sauce. It's ready. The bell peppers are already in the baking tray. Gonna stuff these. Looks nice. The yellow of the bell pepper, the brownish red of the Bolognese, think I just have enough. Something like this. Straight into the oven, 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Bolognese stuffed bell peppers. I'm ready for this. And that is the Bolognese alright. Subtle flavors of the beef stock, the Mediterranean herbs, the extra flavoring from the sambal, plus the Worcestershire sauce. Just gonna grab a piece of bell pepper. Nice, slightly roasted. Now that is a nice combination with the Bolognese, which is a perfect meat sauce, if you ask me. Oh yeah, I love Bolognese. I'm a big fan. Always have been, always will be. There's so much flavor here. From the Bolognese meat sauce, in combination with that bell pepper. Well, this is incredible. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.